Currently, there are two major types of nuclear power reactors. The second is called a pressurized water reactor. The video on the first type of reactor was posted right before this. Basically, you have a bunch of nuclear fuel surrounded by water in the reactor. When uranium atoms split in a process called fission, heat is produced, meaning this water is going to get really hot. And since fission is a chain reaction, it's just going to keep going, meaning this water is going to keep getting hotter. In a boiling water reactor, it just turns to steam, but in a pressurized water reactor, this is a little different. We don't allow this water to boil off into steam. To do this, we use a pressurizer. As a quick recap, if you pressurize a system, it can have more extreme temperatures without changing state. But what does that actually mean? Well, when we keep this nuclear system very pressurized, we can allow it to get very, very hot, and I'm talking like 600 degrees Fahrenheit type of hot, and it still won't boil. So over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, but yet not steam. But we do need steam to spin the turbine, so we're going to pump this really, really hot water into a steam generator. But notice how it stays in its own loop, so none of this water is actually turning to steam in the steam generator. Instead, all it's doing is making this piping very, very hot. And when we add water from another source and it hits this really hot piping, this water will turn to steam. Once we have steam, we're going to funnel it towards a turbine. The steam will turn the blades of the turbine, which will then generate electricity, and then we will send that electricity to the grid. Simultaneously, once the steam is done turning that turbine blade, it's going to be sent down to a condenser. Similar to how we had really hot pipes in the steam generator, we're going to have really cold pipes in the condenser. So all of this steam is going to hit those cold pipes and turn back into water. This water will then get pumped back into the steam generator and the process will continue. Basically, in a pressurized water reactor, we have three loops. One loop here, one loop here, and one loop here. And yeah, that's it. I would recommend watching my boiling water reactor video because then you can know the similarities and differences.